Doyon's hydraulic D20 dough divider gently and evenly divides up to 35 pounds of dough into 20 even pieces at a single time. It's simple to operate, easy to clean, and virtually maintenance-free. The round chamber minimizes the pressure on the dough, combining performance, speed, and labor savings. Production is up to 4 times faster than dividing by hand. The D20 comes with the standard features of stainless steel construction with stainless steel cutting blades with non-stick coating, all swivel casters, 2 which are locking, a cast aluminum cover with locking handle, and a 2 horsepower motor. The D20 can handle a minimum portion weight of 7 ounces and a maximum portion weight of 28. Once plugged in to the appropriate power source, your D20 is ready to be used. On the front of the unit, there's really only 3 things to notice. One is your green power button. Second is your emergency stop. And then your handle to move the press plate either up or down. Now opening up the hydraulic divider, we will see that our plate is all the way down right now, and it has the 4 safety catches which will be used later to clean our plate. Once we've removed those safety catches, I will show you the usage of the machine. So right now, with no dough inside of it, I'm going to go ahead and release the emergency stop. Press the green start button, and you'll see the upward action of the plate. Now we'll go in the opposite direction. Once our dough's in the machine, it's that upward motion that'll cut it, because as your dough rises, the blades will come through and give us an even, clean cut. Now I'll take my large bulk fermented dough and place it inside of the divider. The machine really does all of the hard labor for us, pressing the dough flat and evenly. So at this point, I don't have to take much effort to do that work, and you'll definitely see the results of it in just a second. So now we're going to go ahead and close our divider. Again, release that emergency stop, press our green button, and push up. Now we have our 20 even portions of dough ready to be used. Now we will measure out our individual dough portions just to show how accurate the D20 is. As you can see, there's only a 0.4 ounce variance in our dough sizes, which is really incredible. And this just reduces labor costs and savings, so the end user doesn't have to sit there and hand divide large portions of dough over countless days. Now it is time to clean our machine. I recommend cleaning your machine at the end of a heavy work day or between each different batch of bread recipe you'll be making. Again, turn on our machine. Going to release our press all the way down and insert our 4 little cylindrical tubes. So now we just go ahead and clean out the machine, first by picking out the leftover dough and then by using just a warm, damp cloth. We do not recommend using heavy industrial cleaner on these machines. Now we can go ahead and finish up our day of production. by putting back in our 4 cylinders so we don't misplace them and closing up our machine. Doyon never recommends that you leave dough and hopper for an extended period of time, and only use mineral oil on all surfaces that contact the dough for cleaning. For more information on Doyon products, to find user manuals and look up warranty information, please visit us at our website.